Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to upgrade your crayon plan, quick and easy steps. Ready to elevate your crayon experience? Follow these simple steps to upgrade your plan hassle-free. Step 1. Visit crayon.com. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the top menu and tap on Pricing. Step 2. Choose your plan. Explore the three options: Supporter for $5, Professional for $20, and Custom. With Custom, you can tailor your plan by contacting the Crayon team. Step 3. Upgrading your plan. After selecting your desired plan, tap on Upgrade. You'll be guided to the payment process. Step 4. On payment process, follow the prompts to complete the necessary payment steps. It's that simple. So, elevate your crayon experience with just a few clicks. Upgrade your plan today and unlock more AI-generated art possibilities. Start creating your own digital masterpieces with ease and enjoy all the benefits of your upgraded crayon plan. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.